And question 29 says, as used in line 48, worked most nearly means. So we have line 48 here, word choice problem. So the best thing to do is to go back to this line, look for the word worked, see if we can understand it in context, and if we can replace it with another word. So here's the sentence. Furthermore, they experimentally demonstrated that this camouflage actually worked to hide the plant from its predators and increased its fitness. So here we want a word to replace this. So this is basically saying that the camouflage worked to hide, the camouflage was used to hide the plant from its predators. The camouflage actually served to hide the plant from its predators. So something like that, something sort of talking about what it's able to perform and the benefit it's able to serve the plant. Let's see if we can answer that. So here we have changed, we have influenced, we have functioned, and we have manipulated. So really the first one that stands out to me is going to be functioned. And let's see if we sort of plug it in, if it makes sense. So furthermore, they experimentally demonstrated that this camouflage actually functioned, right? That was its use, that was purpose, it was what it served to do. It functioned to hide the plant from its predators. So I think that's pretty good. It captures every sense that we want. If we look at changed, let's see if that works as well. Furthermore, they demonstrated that this camouflage actually changed to hide the plant from its predators, which is strange. That almost seems to be implying that the camouflage itself is changing from one's earlier use to now being able to camouflage or to hide it from predators. So it's not really changing. That's not correct. B, influence, to me, just doesn't really make sense when you plug it in at all. So they demonstrated that this camouflage actually influenced to hide. Maybe it's just the use of influence to hide. That sounds wrong to me. But really, for that reason alone, I would eliminate it. It doesn't really even make sense about what it's doing. It's not influencing it to hide. It's just that's what it's doing. It's functioning to do that. And then D, manipulated. My problem with manipulated is it is a little bit of a human connotation to manipulate something. Moreover, when you plug it in, they demonstrated that this camouflage actually manipulated to hide, and just doesn't really sound right. It sounds a little awkward, a little bit clunky, not really the meaning that we want. So I think we're going to end up with answer choice C, and that's going to be our correct answer for question number